Get rid of oily skin at home. Why is my skin so oily? This is one of the first questions asked by a majority of people who have extremely oily skin. Oily skin is a result of overly active sebaceous glands in some individuals. These glands secrete a waxy or oily substance called sebum. While sebum is vital for keeping your skin protected, healthy, and hydrated, too much of it can lead to oily skin and clogged pores. This may eventually result in acne. Many factors can cause your skin to produce more sebum and become oily. Some common causes of oily skin are genetics. Oily skin usually runs in families. If either of your parents has had a history of oily skin, your skin is also quite likely to be oily. Age. Adolescents and young adults are known to have oilier skin than the older lot. While this doesn't mean that your skin will become completely oil-free as you age, it will definitely become less oily. Also, oily skin can actually help in slowing down your skin's aging as it keeps the skin moisturized as compared those with dry skin. Climate. If the climate of the place where you live in is hot and humid, your skin is likely to produce more oil. This is why your skin is oilier in summers as compared to the winters. Enlarged pores, aging, acne breakouts, and weight fluctuations can cause your skin pores to become enlarged. Enlarged pores can make your skin produce more oil. Most individuals with oily skin have large skin pores. Use of wrong skin care products. Some individuals may mistake their combination skin for dry skin and use a lot of heavy creams meant for the latter. This can cause the skin to retain more oil, possibly leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Nowadays, there are specific skin care products available for oily skin, so choose yours wisely. Any of the above factors or even a combination of them could be contributing to your oily skin. These homemade treatments for oily skin can be easily prepared with minimal ingredients and deliver instant results. With regular use, you can notice a visible improvement in the appearance of your skin. 1. Egg white and lemon juice for oily skin. Using a mask of egg whites and lemon is one of the best home remedies to reduce oily skin. Egg whites help in shrinking the pores and reducing the oil buildup. Lemon juice, on the other hand, has citric acid, which is a drying agent. It absorbs excess oil from your skin and leaves a matte. Ingredients: egg white, 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. How to do process. All you need to do is separate the yolk from the egg white and blend it properly with 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Clean your face with lukewarm water and apply the mask onto your face. Let the face mask sit for 15 minutes or until the mask is completely dry. You will be able to gauge the dryness of the mask as it will become really dry and tight. Use this mask once or twice a week. Caution: if you have open wounds or acne on your skin, this mask may cause irritation and burning sensation. 2. Aloe vera gel for oily skin. Aloe vera is one of the best home remedies for very oily skin. Aloe gel works like a natural astringent and absorbs excess oil and grease from your skin. This ingredient also contains high water content, which can act as an excellent moisturizer for oily skin. It can treat sunburns, mild acne and pimples due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Aloe is a versatile agent that can be combined with multiple ingredients to treat specific oily skin problems. Ingredients: a medium-sized aloe leaf, knife, bowl. How to do process: take an aloe vera leaf and cut it into half. Scrape out the gel from the leaf and store it in a container. Keep it in the refrigerator for some time and let it cool down a bit. Wash your face and apply it to your skin and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse it thoroughly, once or twice a day, depending on the level of sebum production. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.